So now we have logged into Tenable. In the previous one, it was downloading all the necessary plugins, and the plugins have been downloaded. So this is a default page when you open the Nessus Expert for the first time. So it is giving you a welcome message. Welcome to Nessus Expert. Let's secure your business, and some more information. You can check the tool for any dedicated guide regarding what the things are, or you can check it, remind me later. Now, how the things are arranged in the Nessus Expert. On the top level side, you have two things: scans, settings. Scans would be considering all the information that are associated with any particular scanning you are performing. So any sort of vulnerability scanning, audit scanning that we want to do, all these things would be under the scans. In the scans, you have folders. So there are different folders. We can create our own folder. We'll see this in the next step. And there are certain resources, policies, plugin rules, customized reporting, and web app scanning sort of thing. After this, we have the settings tab. In the settings, we are going to get complete overview about the Nessus. Settings for the particular Nessus itself. So we have the about, we have advanced proxy server settings, remote link, SMTP server, custom certificate authority. If you want to upgrade it, password management, the health check of the particular scanner, any sort of debugging logs or any critical notification that are being assigned, all of the things would be shown up here. And my account as it is. As of now, we are in our about section. The about has multiple different other information like overview, license utilization, software update, plugin details, encryption, and events. And you have further more information like when was the plugins were last updated, when is your license getting expired. So July 23rd of 2025, our trial account would be getting ended. This is our activation code that we used while setting up our lab. The total license that are being given are 32. And as of now, we have not scanned anything. Our scans are completely empty. Hence, this would be 0. 2 of the domain we can analyze and 2 of the URL we can scan. So this is what it is included in the trial license with the help of Nessus. In our upcoming sessions, we are going to deep dive regarding all the topics about advanced proxy server, and each of them have multiple subtopics that we want to know. So this would be taking a complete session of the settings, and the next session would be considering with the scans. So scans and settings we are going to deep dive in the upcoming session.